Neutral oil, rapeseed oil, salmon, rapeseed oil from here. In IKEA, we're going to throw in some Dijon Mustard. We're going to throw in some garlic. We're going to turn this into a mayonnaise that we can put on top of potato salad.
Some of the Swedish Kalles.
It's a decent amount.
Well, you know what? You want to taste it. You don't want to totally hide it. You've got to be able to go. That's more like tam masala. I get it with the potato salad rather than that's sweet and smoky and a bit ooky. Warren's cut the lemon into quarters so that he doesn't leave any seeds in there. Very nice one, thank you. Very thoughtful.
Yeah.
Because I know you like to leave a few seeds in there.
Give it to the end, we might as well mix it up.
One lemon, 1 lime, or 1 tablespoon of something acidic. So the basic mayonnaise rule here is 350 ml oil, one whole egg, something to flavour it, and a tablespoon of something acidic. When you put salt in there, I'm not going to put salt in there because the Kalles is quite salty already. And you can then, with that combination of oil, egg, and something acidic, rice wine vinegar, red wine vinegar. You can make a mayonnaise out of pretty much anything you want, any flavour you want. Herbs, gochujang. I make a great. I put miso, a tablespoon of miso instead of the mustard in there. You get this miso mayonnaise. It's delicious. You can then put a couple of slices of crispy bacon, mix that in, and make a miso bacon mayonnaise, which is also pretty tasty. So. 1 whole egg, don't break the egg, keep the yolk whole. In it goes, and now we're going to use a stick blender. Everyone got a stick blender? Yeah. I think one of the really essential parts of any kitchen. This stick blender is really clever. It won't turn upside down. Why is that? Done it. And ends up being that long. So basket of stick blender, that's here, that end. Put the basket over your egg yolk, and then when you start seeing white ribbons, pull it up through the oil to make mayonnaise. Oh, I think it's going to work, one.
Yep, you got it.
There we go. And there we've got instant mayonnaise. So super thick, super delicious, and now I'm going to send a who's got a microphone? Who's got a microphone? Can I send you back to the woman who has? We'll make a fancy thing. Look, here, Warren. We'll make a fancy canapé, and we'll put it on the spoon like posh people do. All right? You get some of the. Warren, talk to them about the black sea pearls.
The black sea pearls, they are. So this is like caviar. They sell downstairs, but it's completely vegetarian. They're made out of seaweed. And then dyed black? How do they get black? Do you know? I don't know. I'm going to make up something now.
Yeah, I think squidding probably.
Squidding?
But I don't know. But I think
they're vegetarian.
I think they're vegetarian, so I think it must be activated charcoal, making them very trendy.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can take that. It's really wobbly. It's like an egg and spoon race. Spoon race. You can use your fingers to pick it up and eat it rather than putting the whole thing in your gobble at once. Well, that would be really. So there's the mayonnaise. We just soften the flavour down. You find that more acceptable.
Mayonnaise is delicious.
Like kind of good now, isn't it?
It's fantastic. Why were we taught to pour the oil in, to drizzle oil in to make it work when you did it like that?
I think if you hand whisk it, you get a fluffier mayonnaise. I think that's the only difference. I was shown that by a guy called Matt Follis on Masterchef in 2005, and I think it's a brilliant. If you want to make mayonnaise for a massive potato salad for a barbecue, or you want to make it for chicken sandwich or egg sandwich for the kids' school lunch, that'll hold for about 4 days, and it's fantastic. And it's actually, that's weird because that's really thick. So that gives you an idea. That's worked really well. The Kalles has obviously got a bit of a binding property. I'm going to stop that because that's going to go terribly wrong. So these little pearls, they're genius. they're genius on eggs. Just in terms of what, if you want to put, if you need scrambled eggs in the morning, you put these black poppy pearls. They're like tobacco. They're like flying fish roll. You know the little roll you get in hand rolls in sushi restaurants, a little poppy roll. It's got the same texture. It's really cool, and it's great with stuff that's creamy to give you a little poppy texture. And they are $7.95. Price check and on 5. How much are the little seaweed pearls? $8.95, $7.95. So about $6.95. On special at the moment.